If you've ever tried cooking different dishes at the same time and ended up juggling pans, burning something, or just giving up halfway through, you know how frustrating it can be. Cooking shouldn't feel like managing chaos in your own kitchen. Today we're taking a closer look at the Fullwill dual-pot electric pressure cooker 6+5 quart, a multi-cooker designed for families, home cooks, and anyone who wants more flexibility without adding more appliances. What makes this one different is simple. It gives you two separate inner pots, so you don't have to compromise depending on what you're cooking. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the design feels more thoughtful than most standard pressure cookers. The exterior has a clean, modern finish that fits easily into most kitchens without looking bulky or outdated. But the real highlight is the dual pot setup. You get a stainless steel pot that's better for high-heat cooking like stews or searing, and a ceramic nonstick pot that works better for rice, oats, or more delicate meals. In everyday use, that means you're not stuck using one surface for everything, which is a common limitation with most multi-cookers. The build quality feels solid and reliable. The lid locks securely, and the overall structure doesn't feel flimsy or lightweight. It's clearly designed for regular use, not something you pull out occasionally. The control panel is straightforward, with clearly labeled options that don't overwhelm you. It's one of those setups where you can start using it quickly without needing to spend too much time figuring things out. When it comes to performance, this is where the cooker starts to separate itself from simpler models. The higher pressure capability helps reduce cooking time noticeably, especially for dishes that usually take hours like stews or tougher cuts of meat. You're not just saving time, you're also getting better texture and flavor because of how the pressure locks everything in. It's fast, but it still delivers that slow-cooked feel. In real-life use, the flexibility is what stands out the most. You can switch between pots depending on the recipe, which actually improves results rather than forcing everything into one method. It fits easily into a daily routine as well. You can prep ingredients, set the timer, and let it handle the rest without constant attention. The delay start feature is especially useful if you want meals ready when you get home or wake up. Noise levels are typical for a pressure cooker, nothing too disruptive, and the steam release system feels controlled and safe. That matters, especially if you've ever been hesitant about using pressure cookers. The safety features, like automatic lid locking and overheat protection, add an extra layer of confidence during use. Cleaning is also surprisingly simple for something this versatile. The ceramic pot makes cleanup easy for sticky foods, while the stainless steel pot handles heavier cooking without too much effort afterward. Since both pots and the lid are dishwasher safe, it cuts down on cleanup time, which is often the part people dislike most about cooking. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The dual pot system adds versatility, but it also means slightly more storage space is needed. The size is great for families, but it might feel too large for someone cooking only small portions. While it covers a wide range of cooking methods, it doesn't offer the deep customization of higher-end smart cookers. And if you prefer ultra-simple appliances, having two pots might feel like more than you need. Compared to standard multi-cookers like the Instant Pot Duo, the Fullwill Dual Pot Electric Pressure Cooker 6+5 quart stands out because of its flexibility. Most competitors give you one pot and expect it to handle everything. But this one gives you options that actually improve how you cook. On the other hand, some higher-end models may offer more advanced features or app connectivity, which this one doesn't focus on. So who is this really for? If you're cooking for a family, hosting occasionally, or just want more control over how your meals turn out without adding complexity, this is a strong option. It's especially useful if you switch between different types of cooking regularly. If you're cooking for one or prefer minimal setups, though, this might feel like more than you need. At the end of the day, the Fullwill Dual Pot Electric Pressure Cooker 6+5 quart is about making cooking more flexible and efficient without overcomplicating things. And for most home kitchens, that's exactly the balance you want. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.